On today's video, I'm going to show you 3 must-have drinks for Thanksgiving. These are very easy to make drinks. Some look a little complex, but they're not. These are some of my favorites. I think these are going to be a hit at any Thanksgiving house, especially when you got that one person in your family you just can't deal with. I'm here for you. Let's get to drinking. Drink number 1, Thanksgiving Margarita. Now for this one, stick with me. 2 ounces apple cider. 2 ounces of pear juice. 1.5 ounces of Casamigos Añejo. I'll say that right? Tequila. 1 ounce Salerno. I like the blood orange. Shaken. All right, let's pepper. A little bit of lime. A little bit of salt. A little bit of ice. A little bit of lime on top. Garnish with a lime. Cinnamon stick. Thanksgiving Margarita. Drink number 2, Apple Cider Moscow Mule. One of my absolute faves. A little bit of sweet honey pecan on the rim. 2 ounces of Tito's. 2 ounces of apple cider. 4 ounces of ginger beer. Cinnamon stick to stir. Garnish for the top. Apple Cider Moscow Mule. And last but not least, my favorite, Bourbon Pecan Pie, AKA Thanksgiving tea. First things first, dress the rim. Ice ball. That's fancy, huh? 1 ounce, Maker's Mark. 1.5 ounce of praline whiskey, pecan praline whiskey and cream. Sounds good to me. 1/2 ounce Tito's. Maybe a praline right on top. We'll throw a couple moonshine cherries in there. Boom. Thanksgiving iced tea. Let's get to drinking. First up is our Bourbon Pecan Pie. It's kind of a take on a old fashioned, but this is really good. This is really good. A little bit of sweet honey pecan on the rim. I like that. I like that. Next up is our Thanksgiving Margarita. I'm a margarita fan, so I look forward to this one. Oh, that's good. That's real good. And last but not least, one of my favorite drinks in the world, this Apple Cider Moscow Mule is dangerous. It's not playing around. I hope you guys enjoy these. Definitely. 3 must have. You're gonna like all of these, one of these. Who cares? Just make one. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want these recipes, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. I could probably have like 1 or 10 of those.